class. Today we will discuss some problem sums from the chapter Algebraic Expression of class 6 Maths. Okay, in my last class I have showed you how to add two or more algebraic expressions, and today we will discuss or we will learn how to subtract two given algebraic expressions. Okay, so I have taken a question from the same exercise from the last one, exercise 8C, but this time the question number is 5. Okay, and the question is subtract. Okay, and you can see here two expressions are there. Okay, we have to subtract the first one from the second one. All right, so please pay attention, it is very important. Okay, so let us see how do we subtract two algebraic expressions. Now you see here, very important, the first first step of this type of solution is that, because most of the students they make mistake. Okay, so but I don't want you to make any mistake, that is why please pay attention and learn properly. Okay, now you see here, you see this expression we have to subtract from this expression, right? Okay, so while subtracting, remember this, while subtracting any expression or a number from other expression or a number, okay, this expression or number which is written after from, okay, which is written after from should be written first. 3a minus 7b plus 4c. Okay, and since we are subtracting, okay, we have to put both the expressions inside the bracket, and here in place of from we have to write minus because we have to subtract. Okay, and then the first one, the first expression, 5a plus 7b minus twice c. You see properly here, again I am repeating, the expression written after from, it can be a number also. Okay, the expression written after from will be written first, minus, and then the first expression. Okay, this is the first step we have to write correctly when we subtract two or more expressions. Okay, and then the remaining part is quite similar with what we did during addition. Okay, now remove the bracket using the concept of sign operation. Okay, you see this is minus, so every operation inside the bracket will be affected. So minus 5a, minus into plus is minus 7b, minus into minus is plus twice c. Very important. You see the concept of sign operation. Minus into, here nothing means plus, so minus into plus is minus, minus into plus is minus, minus into minus is plus. Very important. Okay, now again the same thing we have to do what we did in addition. Write the like terms together, group the like terms together. Okay, 3a, then look for term with a, this is minus 5a, then minus 7b. Okay, look for term with b, minus 7b. Okay, then look for term with c, plus 4c plus twice c. Alright, now you do accordingly. 3a minus 5a is minus twice a. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Okay, then minus into minus is plus, but minus will remain. This will be 14b and this will be, both are plus, so 6c. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, I will repeat again. 3 minus 5 is minus 2, and a, minus and minus is plus, 7 plus 7 is 14, both are minus, so minus will come. Okay, and then these are both plus, so no problem here, 6c. Alright, so this is how we subtract two given expressions. Okay, so let us see one more example. So the next sum I have taken is sum number 6. Okay, here the expressions we have to subtract is minus 11x square y square plus 7xy minus 6 from 9x square y square minus 6xy plus 9. Now as I said in the first sum, while subtracting, the expression after from should be written first in the first step. Okay, 9x squared y squared minus 6xy plus 9. Put it inside the bracket, and for this from minus, since we are subtracting, and then the first expression minus 11x squared y squared plus 7xy and minus 6. Now here you see, very important, don't be confused, this minus is for subtract and this minus is with the expression. Okay, I repeat, this minus is for the subtract and this minus is with the expression minus 11x. Okay, so now remove the bracket using the concept of sign operation. Now since this is minus, so all the signs will be affected inside the bracket. Minus into minus will be plus 11x squared y squared. Minus into plus is minus 7xy. Minus into minus is plus. Okay. So now group the like terms together. X squared y squared. Look for the term with x squared y squared. Here it is. So 9x square y square, this is plus, so plus 11x square y square. Okay, and then xy, here it is minus 7xy, and then the constant terms plus 9 plus 6. Okay, so now 9 plus 11 is 20, x square y square. Minus into minus is plus, 6 plus 7 is 13. Both are minus, so minus will come. Okay, xy, and since these both are plus, so plus 15. Okay, so this is how we subtract two given expressions in algebraic expression. Okay, using the concept of sign operation and like and unlike terms. Okay, so I hope that you have understood how to add and subtract from my last two classes. Okay, so in the next class I will be showing you some more example sums where we will be solving the sums containing both plus and minus together. Okay, we will do simplification of algebraic expressions. Okay, so from this class, that's it. Thank you.